Hello and welcome to this Excel tutorial video hosted by Adam Pearce of Strawberry 7. In this video, I will be showing you how to use the conditional formatting tool in Excel. Let's open Excel and look at some data here. In this case, I'm going to be showing you how to use the conditional formatting in a particular way. We have a set of rules that we wish to apply to this data. I wish to show everything that is 0 to 40 in red, 41 to 70 in amber, and 71 to 100 in green. The most important thing to remember about conditional formatting is that you can apply multiple rules to a cell or set of cells. So let's have a look at how that will affect what we're going to do with this data. Start by selecting the data that you wish to apply the conditional format to, and then go Home and select Conditional Formatting. Move to Highlight Cell Rules, and in our case, we are going to highlight information that is between certain numbers. Let's click on Between. So let's do our first set, 0 to 40. We wish to make that a custom format, a fill of red. Click OK. This is only our first format, but that's fine because we can apply multiple rules. So we go OK. We keep the cells highlighted and go Conditional Formatting, Highlight Cells, Between, and now we do the next set, 41 to 70. We're going to make this Custom Format, Fill, Amber, OK, OK. Now we do the last one, Highlight Cell Rule, Between, 71 to 100, Custom Format, Fill, Green, OK, OK. Now we can enter different data in here, 30, and you'll see that the colour remains red. If we enter the data 85, it turns green, as we would expect it to. If we wanted to change these rules, or we wanted to view them, we'd highlight the cells, go to Conditional Formatting, and Manage Rules, and we can see the rules here. We could then edit the rule. For example, if we've decided that we want the amber to be 41 to 60 instead of 41 to 70, we go Edit Rule and do 41 to 60. Click OK. We'd have to remember to change the other rule to be 61. Otherwise, we may have a set of numbers that would have no formatting on them at all. If you wish to clear the rules and start again, you can do this as well. You can either clear them from the selected cells or clear them from the entire sheet. Under conditional formatting, you'll notice other areas. The example I've given you is very useful for this specific scenario, but you may want to do something slightly different. You'll have to experiment with these different settings, but the basic rule and understanding of the fact that you can apply multiple rules to a cell or a group of cells is the most important thing to remember. Color scales are very useful for applying quick rules, and Excel will make its best judgment based on the cells which are selected. You may find that this quick application is good enough for your needs and for your data that you're applying the conditional format to.
Finally, as always, thank you for watching. That concludes this video tutorial. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. If you have any suggestions for more videos you'd like to see, let us know. If you liked this video, please consider leaving us a like and subscribing to our channel for all the latest updates.